I got this fake Makita battery pack and it's surprisingly lightweight. Let's open it up and see what's inside. I'll show you the hidden dangers of using a battery pack like this. Let's go. After charging the pack, let's check again. I'm gonna open the pack and see what's inside. Oh, look at that. This battery pack uses unbranded battery cells. But are they actually any good? Let's measure the voltage of each individual cells. Good. The cells are slightly out of balance after charging. Wow, take a look at these wires. They're terrible. Some of them don't even seem to be properly bonded. Look at that. Dangerous. So what happens when the tool is put under a heavy load? The wires generate heat. The batteries get hotter. Now let's test the entire battery pack under load. I'm using this device. Let's discharge it at 3 amps and it stops automatically at 15 volts. Let's go. Wow, look at that voltage drop. It happens in just a few seconds. Let's rebuild this battery pack. First of all, I need to take the circuit board out. So you need to be careful because of short circuit. First, let's identify the connection points on the circuit board. Positive and negative. Here we go. I'm rebuilding this battery pack using Sony VTC5D cells. I explain how to choose the right battery cell for your needs in this video. Go check it out. Now let's measure the internal resistance of each cell. in order to make sure on cells have the similar internal resistance. I'm using this balancing tray to equalize the voltage across all the cells, helping the battery pack perform at its best.
A few moments later.
But why do we need to balance the cells before building a battery pack? Let's find out. Now it's time to reconnect the circuit board to the battery pack. Okay, now let's test the battery pack with the new cells installed. Let's check the battery pack at 3 amp load. The voltage remains very stable. There's no sudden voltage drop, even after running for a while. That's exactly what we want to see. I also review battery parts for cordless impact flanges, mini driver impact, power backup for internet equipments, and plenty of videos on my channel. Okay, now let's reassemble the battery pack. Bye bye, have a nice day. Don't forget to give me a subscribe.